Mystery purchase. So I bought a stick welding machine. It's called Powermax 2 from Castellin whatever, and I bought it on the German Craigslist. Okay, had to let in the cat. Bought a stick welding machine from the German Craigslist. It's called eBay Kleinanzeigen. And it was shown for 50 euros. I could bargain it down to 25 euros. That's I guess up to $23. Now you can see what I did to this defect machine. Shocking surprise, it is not defect. I was thinking if there is a defect I would repair it, and I looked in the machine and I realized that's pretty overwhelming electricity. Electrician, I don't know the word in English. Maybe we can rescue these people. Smart. Very smart. Unbelievable. 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 Yes. But I will do it again. It was so dark, and with the baking soda it got so bright. guess the cables are beautiful. I guess the cables are beautiful in its own way. But they got some pretty intense damage. I will show you. I will clean them, I will caress them, I will give them love, give them very nice love. Cable needs love, and the metal needs actually also love. Everything needs love, 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 love. Bit of repair and cleaning up. Serious cable damage incoming. Very serious damage. Cable incoming. You can see here in the footage that I'm shocked by the lightning arch. It was a big surprise, so it was my first time, and you can see from the results I'm not good with welding, so I really have to work on my welding skills. I hope you enjoyed my video, and I guess I bought a full functioning machine that will cost, I don't know how much these machines cost. I guess they cost 500 to 1000 euros maybe, and I got it for 25 euros, and that was a very happy moment because I don't have that much money to buy me a new welding machine, and this price was very lucky. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I wish you a enjoying time. See ya, peace out.